Hello everyone.
Hi.
Here we are at the beautiful Rainbow Beach in Queensland. And just have a look at this. What a gorgeous afternoon it is. We're going to be spending a couple of nights here. Hopefully get some beautiful beach footage, might even get some shots around the caravan park. We're staying at Rainbow Beach Holiday Village, and it's in a perfect location because it's almost on the beach, and the site we've got has a beautiful view over. So Rainbow Beach, what's the verdict?
Oh, it's lovely. Such a lovely place, yeah.
Yeah, having a great time?
Yeah, having a great time.
Yeah.
Love it.
I tell you what, going up the Sand Blow, you've got coffee, so she's feeling very happy. Going up the Sand Blow this morning, that was a real surprise. It's a great workout if you're into cardio exercise. Boy, oh boy, go climb the Sand Blow if you're in Rainbow Beach. But yeah, it's just beautiful walking along the beach. Great opportunity to get some fantastic photos. Yeah, a real surprise. We didn't think it'd be quite what it is here at Rainbow Beach, did we?
Yes, it's really lovely, really pretty.
So
yeah.
we'll certainly be coming back, and the beachfront site that we've got at the Rainbow Beach Holiday Village is just excellent. $3 more for a beachfront site. Yeah, great ocean views. So yeah, Rainbow Beach in Queensland. Come check it out. Having a great time down here at the beach, Rainbow Beach.
Beautiful,
And
so beautiful.
it was amazing. And just have a look at the beach.
It's so beautiful. It's so blue and turquoise. If you keep filming, Mark, you'll get that car going up the beach right about.
Yeah, there goes the car going up the beach. One flying the Aussie flag. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Oi, oi, oi! Awesome. Happens every day.
Oh, really?
Here it goes. Come on, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There he goes. Another lot of cars. Hopefully these guys won't get bogged.